she, elle, she, elle, she, elle. She speaks. Elle parle. She speaks. Elle parle. She speaks. Elle parle. She speaks. Elle parle. Does she speak? Remember, you can easily convert a statement into a question by reversing the word order. So the verb would come first and then the subject pronoun. Additionally, you need to put a hyphen in between. So we would have parle hyphen elle. However, because there are two vowel sounds here together, it's necessary to add a T to help separate those sounds. So instead of saying parle-elle, try to say parle-elle. The two vowel sounds run together. When we insert the T, you have parle-t-elle, 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 parle-t-elle. So now we have does she speak? Parle-t-elle. Does she speak? Parle-t-elle. Does she speak? Parle-t-elle. French, français. Remember the CCD is pronounced like an S in English. This represents an S sound. The sound S. Français, français. French, français. French, français. French, français. English, anglais. English, anglais. English, anglais. Italian, italien. Italian, italien. Italian, italien. Italian, italien. German, allemand. German, allemand. German, allemand. Spanish, espagnol. Spanish, espagnol. Spanish, espagnol. Portuguese, portugais. Portuguese, portugais. Portuguese, portugais. Okay, so let's review everything that you've learned. If you want to say she speaks, elle parle. To make the statement she speaks French, you would say elle parle français. She speaks English, elle parle anglais. She speaks German, elle parle allemand. She speaks Spanish, elle parle espagnol. She speaks Portuguese, elle parle portugais. You can also ask the question, does she speak? Parle-t-elle? If you want to ask the question, does she speak French? You would say, parle-t-elle français? Does she speak English? Parle-t-elle anglais? Does she speak German? Parle-t-elle allemand? Does she speak Spanish? Parle-t-elle espagnol? Does she speak Portuguese? Parle-t-elle portugais? Okay, to continue learning, click on the video that appears on the screen to go to the next lesson. À bientôt!